case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the 1874 Lucy v. Lucy case, the New Hampshire Superior Court dealt with the issue of an estate administrator's responsibility in handling real estate affairs. The court determined that when an estate is insolvent, the administrator must take care of the property, while if the estate is solvent, they can only manage the real estate with permission from the heirs. Moreover, the administrator must account for their expenses to the heirs. The case involved a dispute between the administrator and the heirs of the estate over several expenses charged by the administrator, including repairs, taxes, witness fees, and services rendered, as well as rent and profits received from the property. The judge of probate had disapproved some of these charges, and the court was tasked with determining their validity. The court ultimately found that most of the administrator's charges were disallowed, except for a 2.5% commission for their services. The judge disallowed some expenses that were incurred in attempting to sell the property, which failed due to the administrator's negligence. Furthermore, witness fees related to a private claim against the estate were disallowed, while others were permitted. As a result, the appellant was able to recover the costs of the appeal, excluding those that were unnecessarily delayed by the administrator's neglect. The decision reached by the court in Lucy v. Lucy reaffirmed the importance of administrators holding themselves accountable to heirs when managing and maintaining an estate's property.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.